Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be doing Glam My Sister, Do My Sister's Makeup, which is me, Erika. Get ready for this transformation.
This is the before. Woo woo!
Oh, the last time we did this, you were doing my makeup for my wedding.
I am doing makeup for one of my most favorite persons in the whole universe, my baby sister Erika, who is getting married tomorrow.
No,
Wait, I
just
done your
watched
makeup
the video
on my channel, but like years ago. Okay, so guys, I have this little stool here that is one of those stools that you use to like flex your abs, and it's kind of like this. So this will also be a challenge video to see if I can make it through the entire transformation without falling off of this gosh darn evil thing that I
You
am
won't
on.
have to work out tomorrow.
Oh, right.
So,
Okay, good.
Hey. Hello.
My dear, what kind of a look would you like?
My looks tend to be kind of casual. I don't wear a ton of makeup. So I think it would be fun to do something kind of really kind of glam, kind of smoky eyes, a little soft on the lips though. So
I got you. I'm removing my rings. I always try to do that when I'm doing other people's makeup, and I'm gonna be like, put a little of this on. Yeah.
Ooh, this is the Aquarius one.
So this is how Grandma wears her sister's apparel. I can't wear this. I mean, like, come on.
I'm getting kind of hot.
You look great, but like, can you imagine? Can you imagine me out in public with this? I would just be like, nipples.
This
right?
is a problem.
This is a problem.
Where's the other half of your shirt, Tati?
I know. Okay, so you're gonna use this first to get all the hair off your face.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
It's like, what is that? What are you saying?
Okay, so we are gonna prime you. We're gonna take some double Tenseur from Sisley and just go ahead and kind of press this into her skin.
Why is there something so calming about somebody touching your face and doing your makeup?
I know. I do not get that very often. I wish I had it more. Now we're gonna go in with a little Tarte pore filling primer. You guys know the drill. I really like to do a pore filling kind of in the T-zone just to smooth things out and really press everything in. And I like a juicier primer to be on the outer perimeter of the face, just to hydrate and help the foundation to smooth on more evenly. My sister is just as complex as I am, so as far as shade matching, we're gonna use the shade 310 and 325 mixed.
Now, is this a long wear foundation? Okay. Cool.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
I'm a professional.
Technical difficulties.
I'm a professional. Look so professional. Oh my, I am
Fail.
fail.
Here, you want one of these?
A collagen cleansing wipe, yes.
Makeup remover in it.
All right, so we're mixing the two. We're also gonna take some Dermacol and mix these two together just to have more coverage in the areas we need it, so we don't have to use thick foundation everywhere.
So this is kind of like a concealer / foundation?
And I try as best I can to match it to the foundation. Like, I mix two colors together, and then sometimes I will actually like push a little bit of the foundation just to like warm it up. I'm a professional.
So professional.
Okay, we are gonna take a dampened beauty blender, grab some of the product, and we're going to start out with a light layer everywhere.
This is like deja vu for me, except for when I watched the
Wedding video?
wedding video, I didn't say a word.
Why not?
I don't know.
Why didn't you talk?
I don't know if I was nervous or just concentrating or not used to being on camera, which I'm still not used to being on camera.
It turned out nice.
Yeah, no, I was happy. What do you think?
I'm thinking I hate when I'm wearing them like, oh, baby. Okay, how do you feel about that coverage? More, less, more. Don't focus on the under eyes. What do you
That's
think?
exactly what I'm drawn to is my
Okay,
under eyes.
we're gonna
so-
get around the nose a little bit. So do that thing with your mouth again. Yep.
Do you like brushes or sponges? I need to
Both.
be fine.
Oh my God, you're just like Mom. I'll be doing her lips and she'll be like, so let me tell you about last weekend. I'm just like, Mom, stop. And then now we will go underneath the eye a little bit. I'm gonna lighten this up just a little, teensy weensy little bit. It looks like when you do your makeup like this, it looks like Night of the Living Dead, like before you're done. Don't fear not. I know what I'm doing.
You're like, look, I'm gonna.
Yeah, don't do that.
One problem that I have is that whenever I use concealer, and even if I set it, it gets like flaky or like really cakey almost.
That can happen. Just use a really good eye cream. Don't be afraid to use good eye creams. And then always set your under eye, but make sure you pat out the creases before you set it. A lot of people forget to do that, and it can make a huge improvement. Bottom line though, we have lines under our eyes, guys. We're gonna smile, we're gonna have emotions, and there will be creases. If you have lines, they're gonna be there. But you can make them less noticeable, focus on different features, know how to work the product, and that'll help. That'll go a long way. I'm gonna do just like a dot here. I'm gonna be using a lot of Scott Barnes powders on her. These are so finely milled. They're made in Italy. They are gorgeous. So I'm gonna take the lightest one that I have, which is called Petal. And this is not a shimmery highlight. It literally is just a very, very pigmented powder. And what I'm gonna do is smooth out her creases first. Work one side at a time. Look up. And then I'm just gonna hit the perimeter of the face specifically. We're gonna start to like layer on powders that are going to warm her up. And I'm now going to take the shade Amber, and I'm going to take a blush brush, grab it on the side. I don't want to sculpt her where it makes her already awesome bone structure more sharp and drag down. We want to elevate and lift a little bit. So we're gonna do that by placing the color a little bit high. And Erika is gonna do her best to not fall asleep. It's the Don't Fall Asleep Makeup Challenge.
I know, it's just so relaxing. Not something that happens all the time.
You deserve this.
Thank you.
Erika is a nurse and she is incredible, and she's the one I was tweeting about, like getting all freaked out and scared because you had to work and stay near the hospital when the crazy storm happened.
Yeah, that's true.
And that is dedication for, I mean, choosing a career where you are helping others is incredible. Hats off to you.
Thank you.
Tilt your neck this way and go like this. I'm going to open a special product that she gets to take home with her.
Really?
It's the Hook Erika Up with New Makeup show. Okay. This is from Hourglass.
Ooh.
Yes. So we are going to put this all over the face lightly to add just like a glow everywhere. What was that face for?
I'm just putting the brush in my eye.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I can be a little rough. I'm sorry.
So what is this you're putting on?
Mineral powder, just to even out the foundation a little bit. So
Yeah, I really like it.
Yeah? Yeah, we're just working in layers right now. It takes more time, but you know, you can achieve a very natural look when you work in very light layers. Okay? Okay. Sorry, excuse my rage here. I'm gonna blush you up. You know they say that like music now is bad, but like some of the stuff we listened to as kids, I'm just like, wait. I finally listened to some of these songs and I'm like, oh. Do you have that ever happen where you're like, wait, what? This looks so nice on you.
Thank you.
I hate my outfit. Sisters. I'm wearing this hoodie because she wanted the good one.
I guess we should have switched because I'm sitting down and you can't really see the crop top.
I'm wandering around like, J-Lo is going to bring the shine. We actually went and saw J-Lo in Vegas and it was so good. Her last performance, it was the best night ever. Oh my gosh. We love a little J-Lo glow.
Glow me.
I will. Okay, so don't tilt. Okay, so stay there. I like it a lot. It's just like bridal makeup. Bride makeup 2.0. Here we go again. I'm just going to dust just ever so slightly. Like I get all the excess powder off on my hand and then I just graze everything so that it all kind of has no beginning and end. We learned this the hard way. Oh, you were like ready for it. You're like, bring it.
For it. I love it.
Erica's under eye area, if she uses setting spray after eye makeup, it kind of just gets everywhere.
The mascara just tends to run.
So we have to be super
Yeah,
mindful
problem.
to do this in advance. And I'm gonna kind of drench you, so don't mind, don't get scared. You're okay. Think positive thoughts. Can you imagine if I accidentally hit you in the face? Oh my gosh, no. Moving on to a little brows.
Oh my gosh,
Erica?
this is the part that always scares me because I feel like
She's not.
those aren't my brows.
She doesn't like the brows.
I
We're
mean,
gonna
but
go
I need
light.
to. I need to.
I'm gonna start back here and just fill in exactly what you already have. That's all I'm doing.
That's fine.
Does that feel dark to you? Yep. She's already like, it's okay.
Prepare myself.
I always hold my breath when I get close to your face. Larissa makes fun of me for it.
Why?
She goes, you do this thing when you do makeup and you go,
It's okay. I hold my breath when you get close to my face too.
okay, so we are going to prime your eyes. Remember how I said I was going to use the stool?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't really happen.
You can't sit for long enough.
We're going to go in with Natasha, and we're going to go in straight away, kind of heavy all over the lid. This is having a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to put some powder underneath. Look up. You're looking marvelous, darling.
Ooh, thank you.
What? I have to get close to you, so just
hold your breath.
thanks.
Perfect.
Perfect.
You like?
I love it. Okay. We're gonna go into the Linda Hallberg palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of this chocolatey shade and I'm going to press it right on this outer edge. Just to deepen things up ever so slightly. Now we're going in with this very blingy, beautiful shade. I love this so much. Close. And I'm so sorry, tilt back just a little bit. Yes, we haven't even done the lower lash line. That looks amazing. Okay, so
Good idea.
now I'm actually gonna use a brown liner and I'm barely gonna flick it out. We're not gonna do the full thing that we played around with before. We're just gonna
Okay.
line, close. I swear to God, if you start laughing right now.
I'm sorry.
All of my sisters have this weird thing and they all laugh.
Your stomach is
different-
going
at different. My stomach is?
Your stomach is right here.
I'm sorry. I'm hungry. And we're gonna look so bomb at Shake Shack. It's amazing.
In our leggings and sweatshirts.
I'm gonna have you line your waterline with this so that I don't jab you in the eye.
Okay. My eyes get so dry.
Okay, that's good.
That good?
She's smoky. All right, I'm now gonna take kind of a brighter orangey shade. And you're not even really gonna see this.
What does it do?
It's just gonna add a little bit of warmth under here. Dang, smoky eyes are like your thing.
Never
Wow.
ever really do this.
Oh my goodness. All right, we are going to hit the high point of your brow. I'm just gonna take a matte cream and I'm just going to hit right here. This will kind of lift the eye, which for your eye shape, super important. I am gonna contour your nose just a little insy wincy, teensy wincy. I'm actually just gonna take like a warm matte brown. And literally I'm like doing this. I'm Harry Potter right now. I don't know who I am. Okay, we're just gonna like do some magic real quick. Look at your nose, yes, look at that.
The This is probably my favorite look you've ever done.
Really?
Honestly. Yeah.
It's because
I'm
we're
not
not-
just saying that either.
We're not rushed. We're taking our time, you know, and that's part of it, is to have fun with it and like enjoy the process and not be.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? We'll crack you open a new mascara because I don't share that anymore because of. You got a sty. It was just like the most annoying thing. I don't know if this is good or not. We're gonna just hope. But just put on like a thin layer of it because we're gonna be putting on lashes anyway.
Okay.
Just try really hard to not smudge the lower lash line.
Okay. I like this mascara.
Yeah? Well,
Moi?
maybe.
Is it Moi? MUA? Makeup Academy?
Don't smear it.
Nope, nope, no. I just got it on my hair.
Oh.
All is good.
Let it dry and then you can kind of fluff it off. You'll line your lips. How does it feel? Is it okay? Mm-hmm. Does it hurt?
Nope.
Note to the artists out there, always ask your client how it feels, because an annoying lash will end up watering eyes, ruining everything, and a lot of people won't tell you. So I always ask. How's that feel?
Ooh.
That one's stuck somewhere. No, let me do it. Let me do it. Or is it stuck?
I feel like right in
In
here.
the inner corner?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Close. Does that feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Your lashes are good. Try not to blink heavy. Let's let them dry completely, and I'm gonna line you. We're gonna go back to your lips. We're getting there. All right, now I'm just gonna go over the lash line, just really not to add a lot of color, but just to make sure that all that glue is covered up. This is good. Do you love it?
Mm-hmm. I do. It doesn't feel like me. This is weird.
Really?
Yeah. In a good way.
I'm gonna take an Anastasia lip topper in Freya. Just. Wow. You need to like FaceTime your husband, right?
Compliments to the makeup artist.
This is like such a detail step, but I'm
What is it?
taking Wonderlust from Stila, just on this very like itty bitty brush. It just gives this like dewiness to the inner corner that just kind of opens you up. You're all set. I am orange.
No, you're
My
not.
foundation oxidized. My Natasha Denona.
Denona.
My Denona. My Denona. Boom, chicka, boom, 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 boom.
You guys, this is the completed makeover, sister makeover. I had the best time glamming, you know, my favorite girl.
Yeah.
Thank you so
I love
much.
glamming you so much. I did her wedding makeup and I have not filmed her on my channel, me doing makeup, in so many years. So this was way overdue. This is actually like my favorite, like give a good like look, and it's just so, I love it.
Yeah,
it's
I
like,
love it too. Like honestly, this is my favorite
look
makeover
yeah,
that
I
you've done.
love.
Yeah,
It's
thank
dark
you.
outside. That's like how long we have been in here just like playing with everything and taking our sweet time, and it was the best ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, go ahead and
Hit the thumbs up.
Ooh!
And don't forget to ring the bell.
Oh yes.
And
Subscribe to my channel.
and if you haven't already, which I'm sure you have, subscribe to her channel.
Yes. You're so good. Intro and outro. All right, you guys, all of the makeup that I used on Erika will be listed in the description box below. And I hope you are having a good one. We love you so much. We're both gonna blow kisses.
I think
All right.
I know that part.
Okay, just
Okay.
checking. Look at our matching nails. Twins.
Twins.
All right, guys, have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.